In my last video, my bike wasn't working properly.
What?
I jumped on the interwebs and found it's probably the oil or spark plugs.
I've got a bunch of stuff. I'm just gonna do a service and see how it goes, I guess. Let's get started. Oh, holy crap, scared the shit out of me. Okay. I think that's good. Heck yes. Whoa. Ooh. These O-rings, man, cost me like $8 each. God damn. God damn it, I forgot to put this back in. Okay, yeah, that's good now. Alright, I'm calling that okay. That took a lot longer than expected, so I think I'm going to do the rest tomorrow. Air filter, change, and then I can ride it. Yeah.